Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jonathan. Today's video is going to be this special promotion right here. Regular price is $279 and currently you can get it for $99 at Best Buy. This is a Hover 1 Range Plus electric self-balancing scooter with 9-mile range, max range, and 9-mile-per-hour speed. Premium Bluetooth speaker. The review is 4 out of 5 and they have a total of 79 reviews. Let's take a look at some of the pictures. I actually have one of not exact model, but a similar one. It's pretty good, it's pretty decent, you know. And my kids, they love it. They learn how to ride it a lot faster than myself. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's see if there's anything else that we can review or take a look at. Here, Bluetooth pair with your mobile device to play music while you ride. That's awesome. That's something new. The one that I have doesn't have that options. This one's max speed up to 9 miles per hour. Max distance up to 9 miles. That's pretty good. Bright LED lights on the wheel and deck. Up in the April. This is the max load at 264 pounds. Okay, so this is for somebody who's not that heavy. Tire size is 6.5. Battery type is built-in battery rechargeable. Blah blah blah. Specifications. Motorized. When I go through all that stuff, you guys can read it. However, we need to look at some of the reviews and see what customers are saying. Ooh, this one's really bad. This one about a month ago. Selling refurbished units as new. Really? Didn't know that Best Buy does that. I got what seems to be like an open box as a new from the store, then returned it because it was not working properly. Got shipped another one, and what would you know? Another used unit with scrapes and scratches on unit on top and torn. This is ridiculous. I don't know how true that is, but that's unacceptable. Okay, if we're paying for a new unit, we should be able to get a brand new unit. Okay, and this one about 7 months ago, adult-friendly scooter. As soon as I saw the specs on the scooter, I knew I wanted it. Finally, a scooter that is rated to handle most adults, including me. But I'm still looks cool and is a reasonable price. I don't know if this customer paid the actual full retail price or the sales price that they have now, $100, which is very reasonable. Not going to go over the pros and a little more, but here 4 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5. So as you can see, most of the review are good except for this one. I don't know if he bought it open box, open item, or whatever, but even the second one too, the 10 number of scratches. If that is the case, unacceptable Best Buys. You guys can do better, okay? So once again, if you're in the market for a scooter at a reasonable price, $99, saving of $180, go to Best Buy. I'll leave everything in the description for you. You guys have any questions, let me know. Other than that, enjoy the saving. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you love the channel, love the savings, make sure you subscribe. I'll post as many deals as I can find in a day, so that way you guys can enjoy the savings. Other than that, thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.